Crypto whales are stacking this undiscovered crypto before it lists on new exchanges. Time to buy. Sam Cooling last updated March 15, 2024 14:01 EDT 2min read. Crypto whales are quickly accumulating Sponge token Sponge VTWO in anticipation of listings on major exchanges. Sponge's price analysis suggests this could trigger big price moves in the weeks to come. This surge in interest follows the successful migration of the Sponge ecosystem, which involved the relaunch of the esteemed 2023 Sponge token on the Polygon network under the new moniker Sponge VTWO. What is Sponge VTWO and how could it repeat the success of Sponge VON? Sponge VON made its debut during the bear market of May 2023, a fair launch token that instantly captivated meme coin virality due to its nostalgic and catchy namesake. In a dramatic climb, the first Sponge token exploded to become one of the biggest meme coin launches of the year, hitting an all-time high market cap of over $100 million and generating a community of more than 13,000 holders and an additional 30,000 followers on social media. Much of these major price gains were fueled by listings on more than 10 centralized exchanges, including LBank, Toobit, CoinW, BTCEX, Poloniex, MEXC, EO, Bitget, BitKan, and BitMart. And this is why crypto whales are now betting big on Sponge VTWO. Sponge VTWO was not a traditional launch to acquire this new token. Early holders had two options, either buying Sponge VON and then staking it through the Sponge website, or staking already held Sponge VON. The Sponge VTWO airdrop saw tokens distributed based upon the quantity and length of time VON tokens were staked. But the hype behind Sponge VTWO doesn't stop at the network migration. It also seeks to deliver play-to-earn P2O utility to the Sponge ecosystem. Sponge VTWO play-to-earn promise could supercharge ecosystem. The Sponge VTWO team is developing a bespoke play-to-earn P2O e-game, bringing an exciting new utility to the token. Users will have the opportunity to earn $Sponge VTWO tokens by playing the game and ranking on the leaderboard. The game will feature both free and paid versions, allowing users to play for fun or use $Sponge VTWO tokens to purchase game credits for additional in-game earnings. Sponge VTWO price analysis. As Sponge VTWO climbs to $1 million market cap, could it repeat 100x? At the time of writing, Sponge VTWO is currently trading at a market price of 3,087 cents, representing a 24-hour change of 14%. This comes as price continues to wrestle with a minor 26% localized retracement move after rising to establish a new early-stage all-time high at 4,240 cents on March 9. Now in consolidation, Sponge VTWO has established a well-defended lower support zone between 27 cents and 31 cents over the past week, priming price action for its next leg up. Upside movements are now targeting a pushback of higher supper at 365 cents as buy pressure remains dominant over the past 24 hours, representing 59% of transactions. Overall, price analysis leaves Sponge VTWO in a bullish ascendant trading channel in the weekend, with price primed for a bounce ahead of major exchange listings following a successful consolidation. Still representing a fantastic entry at $11. If crypto whales are right, this project could undertake as much as a 100x return from current levels based on historical market caps. The bottom line: as Sponge VTWO heads towards major exchange listings, crypto whales are rushing to accumulate in anticipation of major gains, bringing a new chapter to the already remarkable history of Sponge token. The team's commitment to utility, staking, and a P2O e-game makes Sponge VTWO a project to watch closely. Stay tuned for updates on social channels and witness the evolution of Sponge in the crypto seas. Buy Sponge VTWO here. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.